Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Upagya. So today I'm again back with another tutorial video. I make helpful and informative tutorial videos and the gameplay videos. Before going further to this video, first of all, I want to make sure that you have subscribed to this channel and click on the bell icon and click on all notifications so you never miss any update from your channel. So finally, this channel has hit 1000 subscribers. This was only possible because of you all. I'm really glad. I really want to thank all of you for your love, support. I also want to thank all of you for showering love and support to this channel, and I'm looking forward to hit more milestones on this channel. The community post has finally unlocked on my channel, so I will be putting up some photos or poll or questions like that, putting some story. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to reset your Wattpad password from mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you how to reset password for your Wattpad account from mobile. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to reset the password while you are signing into your Wattpad account and you know the email connected to your Wattpad account. So first of all, click on the profile icon, then click on the gear icon which is on the topmost corner, then click on account setting, then scroll down to here and then click on forget password, then write your email. Now click on the send instruction. Now as you can see, email sent, password reset instruction has been sent to your email address. Now click on OK. Now as you can see, got the email from the Wattpad to reset our password. Click on this orange reset my password. Type a new password for your Wattpad account. Now let's click on ta-da-da! You have successfully reset the password for your Wattpad account. If you have logged out from your Wattpad account and you want to change or reset your password of your Wattpad account, then click on the forget password here, and this applies when you know the email of the account.